If you're considering EzCom Sales Tax Manager, here are 12 things you need to know before making a purchase. You might be wondering if this tool stacks up against the competition, so let's break it down. First thing, EzCom offers an easy-to-use interface. Whether you're new to sales tax software or experienced, you'll find navigating the platform intuitive. Unlike other tools like Avalara, which can sometimes feel overwhelming with complex setups, EzCom streamlines the process, helping you get up and running quicker. Next thing, pricing. EzCom offers tiered pricing based on your business's size and needs, but it's worth noting that it can get expensive if you need to scale. If you're just starting out, it might seem affordable, but for larger businesses, this cost can add up, especially when compared to other software like TaxJar, which often offers more competitive pricing for growing businesses. The third thing is the coverage. EzCom supports tax calculations in multiple states, which is ideal for businesses that operate across borders. However, compared to something like TaxCloud, it lacks some of the deeper integrations with state tax systems that more complex tools offer. The fourth thing, automation. EzCom helps automate a lot of the manual sales tax tasks, saving time and reducing errors. But if you're looking for truly advanced automation, you might want to consider something like Vertex, which is more widely known for its sophisticated automation features for large enterprises. Next, EzCom integrates with popular platforms like Shopify, QuickBooks, and Magento, making it a convenient option if you're already using those services. However, its integrations are not as extensive as what you'll get with a competitor like Avalara, which works with a wider range of platforms and custom solutions. The sixth thing is reporting. EzCom offers detailed sales tax reports, which can be a real time saver come tax season. However, if you need to do more complex tax analysis or audit reports, some competitors, like Sovos, provide more in-depth options tailored for larger operations. Seventh, EzCom's customer support is solid, offering live chat and email support. It's reliable, but when compared to competitors like TaxJar, which has a reputation for exceptional customer service and faster response times, EzCom falls a bit short in this area. The eighth thing is scalability. While EzCom works well for small to mid-sized businesses, if you anticipate rapid growth, you may run into limitations. Competitors like Avalara and Vertex are designed with scalability in mind, which could be more beneficial for businesses planning on expanding significantly. Ninth, multi-currency support. If you're doing international business, EzCom might not be your best option, as it doesn't handle multi-currency transactions as seamlessly as others like Avalara. If you're dealing with different currencies and tax rules, you'll want a solution that's better equipped for that. 10th thing, user reviews. Most users find EzCom to be reliable and efficient for the basics of sales tax management. However, some complaints focus on its lack of customization options. It's a good solution for most, but if you're looking for flexibility, competitors like TaxJar offer more tailored options. 11th, time to set up. Getting started with EzCom is generally quick, but be prepared for a bit of a learning curve, especially if you're migrating from another platform. Some competitors are a bit more seamless in onboarding, with better training resources and smoother transitions. Lastly, EzCom offers a free trial, allowing you to test the software before committing. This is great for those who want to try out the features firsthand. However, some competitors, like TaxCloud, offer a similar free trial with more detailed features that might be worth exploring as well. So, is EzCom Sales Tax Manager a good option? Yes, it's a solid choice for small to mid-sized businesses looking for basic sales tax management. But if you're looking for something that scales more easily or provides more advanced features, you might want to check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free.